Hi guys, so today we are going to be building a basic calculator with HTML, Css and JavaScript, and I'll be very happy if you can hit the subscribe button and support me so I can bring up more projects for us to build together. After this basic calculator, I'm going to be building a quiz game and other lots of amazing projects, and I'm also going to be teaching you HTML, Css and JavaScript to get started in website development. Now,
like stars at night, let us jump into the light.